Now standing here, not knowing how we'll get through this test, but holding on to faith you know best. Yeah. Nothing can catch you by surprise, 'cause you've got this figured out, and you're watching us now. And when it looks as if we can't win, oh, you wrap us in your arms and step in. Oh, see, everything we need you supply, 'cause you've got this in control. And now we know that you made a way. When our backs were against the wall and it looked as if it was over, you made a way. Now we're standing here, it's only because you made a way. Oh, so now we're here, looking back on where we've come from. It's because of you, ain't nothing we've done, Lord, to deserve the love and mercy you've shown. Yes, your grace was strong enough to pick us up